you can achieve this by getting closer to God, and then pray as much as possible, reciting Quran, and doing something which makes you love your religion even more, or Islam, something like that. So for this month, I'm sorry, it's not this month, but it's especially for this year's, because of this sort of pandemic things.
Next month.
No, actually, it started from this month.
Yeah.
Yeah, for this pandemic things that is still outbreaking. So we should restrict ourselves from getting up too often. So we should just keep our energy to do something really good. For example, like doing something good, like reciting Quran, praying, and all, etc. And you should also be more generous, like Mr. Fahmi said before. And then last but not least, you should like avoid the crowds, like Mr. Fahmi said, but it's recommended for you to pray together in your house. So like praying jamaah during Tarawih time.
Masya.
Okay, any questions?